All right, I have my goat milk. Actually, let me move this out of the way because I already have it. And I've learned that depending on the goat, you know, I keep my lye solution doesn't get above 100, but it's about 82 right now. So is my oils. And I've realized that depending on the goat, like some have a higher fat content, and the higher the fat content, the more orange the more fat, so the more orange the soap gets. So an orange theme here. All right, so let me pour this in. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna pour off 2 pounds. This is going to be for the top. And I'm not going to put the fragrance oil in there yet. Remember, I'm going to use the vanilla caramel latte fragrance. I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to go ahead and add, this is going to be, I'm trying to figure out what, I want to at least do a pound. Okay. That's going to be one of the orangey yellow colors. At least a pound. Yep, I did a pound 4, a pound 5 on those. And then this one is going to be my main color, which is going to be, I think that's going to be good. Yeah, I'm going to do my annata seed, and I wipe my hands off. I'm going to do my annata seed in this one. It's gonna be a bit super fatted because, and you know, I haven't added the fragrance yet because I want to do it per part just in case my fragrance oil does something funny. All right, so this is annata seed oil. This is going to be a really pretty yellow. I might even actually add a little yellow clay to the mix because this fragrance oil has a little bit of vanilla in it, and that will make it turn. That's a pretty color. I'm not saying it's going to stay that color, but I'm going to add a little bit of yellow clay. You know, this is part of the soaping that, you know, you go work as you go. Now, I could add I could have pre-mixed that clay into some water so that it blends better. I'm just going to kind of mix it first, let it get saturated with the oil, and then I'm going to blend it and I'll get my molds. Okay, I have my soap molds, so I'm going to try to do it pretty even. So now I'm going to do, let me do some, this is paprika oil. Ooh, that was pretty. I don't know if y'all, oh, I missed that. I didn't get to see that. Isn't that cool? All right, let me make some room here so y'all can see, and then I'll move these soapies back. Isn't that cool? Hope y'all can see that. All right, let me mix this up. Now this, yeah, that's a pretty cool little color there. Let me add my fragrance oil. Might be really subtle, different colors, but that's okay. I really like that. So, look what's happened. My soap is set up. So I might do something a little different here, guys. All right, so my soap's set up, so that's okay. I'm just gonna go with it. Look at that. It just is right on top. We might have layers. Oh, that's gonna be fun. And that's okay. We just kind of go with the flow when you make, no pun intended, when you make soap. Because that was very interesting how that sat up really fast. Quicker than I expected. That's okay. Different design. We're gonna go with it. I might try a little, some type of swirl of some sort, but this is gonna look really cool. Alright, let me clean up a little bit. I still have, oh, I hope that's not thickening. Oh, that looks great. Okay, my top looks great. I haven't added anything to it. It's sitting there and it's not thickening up, so it's gotta be the fragrance oil. Look at that. And that's pretty much sat up, so I can do this one. Oh, this is getting thick. Look at that. I got pudding. All right. Because I use such a low water content, milk, I use milk, but it's the water ratio of the soap. I can add a little water if I ever needed to. I try not to because I can get glycerin rivers and stuff like that, but that's okay. This is gonna be fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is not the design I had planned. This needs a little bit more, but we are going to roll with it. You never know how it's gonna play. And I know one thing, it might be a different design, but this is still luxurious soap, goat milk soap. All right, so I need to get busy here. What I'm gonna do, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Something like that. What do you think? Something like that. I'm gonna go down to the bottom, so I'm touching the bottom and getting the other layer mixed up. Maybe a little turn like that. Ooh, that's fun. Do the same thing. Yeah, okay. All right, let's get our next, let's get our top ready. I'm just full of surprises here. Okay, here we go. Now, the next one, the fragrance I'm using for this is high in vanilla. So I am going to I gotta clean out this thing first. Clean out my stick blender. So I'm going to add extra kaolin clay to see if I can get, it doesn't really turn it white. It'll end up being probably a caramel color. And I'm okay with that. I'm trying to eliminate, sometimes I use for creative stuff, I'll use titanium dioxide, oil-based titanium dioxide, but I'm really trying to cut that out. Okay, so let me add the kaolin clay. That has gotten really thick. My kaolin clay and oil has gotten really thick too, so. We'll go with it. See, I can use yogurt containers. They're number 5. They're safe for soap. So that's a good way to repurpose. Oh boy, I am really excited to see what this cut looks like, which I will share the cut at the end of this video. All right, let me mix this up and then add the fragrance. I might add a little bit more kaolin clay. I'm almost out. I just went on Amazon and ordered it. I get a 5-pound bag, and this is what I get. is, oh, I guess I need to, yeah, white kaolin clay. And so I'm gonna add a little bit more, which this will thicken it up pretty fast, but I wanna be able to dollop on like it's a whipped cream. And then I'm gonna add the fragrance oil. I'm pretty much experimenting and seeing what works color-wise. But this is not gonna be a white, I can tell you that. It's not gonna be a white, it's gonna be more of a caramel color in the soap. And that's okay. Can y'all see the soap, what it's doing? It is like, it's solid. All right, here we go. And then we're gonna add fragrance oil. This is 2 pounds. Pretty. So this kind of red orange, that will get a little bit muted. I don't know how different the colors are going to be once, you know, we cut tomorrow. I think my table is a little slanted. Anyway, so I'm going to put this on top. It looks really like a creamy color, but it's going to darken because of the vanilla. So I'm going to pour a little bit on, and then oh, it's thickening up nice. Sorry, I'm right in the camera. Oh, my handle's coming down. No! There we go. Yeah, it looks like honey. It's good. It's thickening like I was wanting it to, but I didn't clean that off. Okay, we are back, and I'm gonna cut the pumpkin spice soap. Look at this lined up here. I'm also recording a reel for Instagram at the same time. Oh wow, it's really